Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up new Google Workspace users and business emails. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have a plan on Google Workspace so that you would be able to have the full access and to have all of its features. So what you will have to do after logging in is you will click Admin Console, and once you click Admin Console, you will basically see this interface. So go ahead and click users. And then once you're on the user area, what you will have to do is click add new user, and you will basically just have to enter the email and your initial password. And you could also assign roles and permissions if needed. And by the way, notify the user with their login credentials and encourage users to change their password after their first login. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.